Hola, we are the group 1. In this video, we will discuss about what is a computer bus and how it works.
So, what is a computer bus? The computer bus is a communication link used in a computer system to send the data addresses, control signals, and the power to various components in a computer system.
The computer buses are used to connect the various hardware components that are part of the computer system.
In simple words, the computer buses are electrical wires which connect the various hardware components in a computer system. The computer bus carries the data, control signals, memory addresses, and the power supply to these components.
Computer system makes use of different types of buses, such as data bus, address bus, and control bus.
Number 1. Data bus. So what is data bus? From the word data bus, Web Dictionary defined a bus as a vehicle carrying many passengers from one place to another. But data is involved in this case. A bus is a connection that requires data transfer or a communication track between two or more devices. Distinctive illustration is the communication bus between the processing unit and the memory unit of a computer system. The structuring of a bus involves multiple lines of communication or tracks, and in a physical representation, it will be built from the various wires. The information being relayed by the bus is associated with where the data is initiated or with it will be sent. Each of the lines of bus channels conveys one bit of information. Therefore, the more lines embodied with the bus, the more data it can get or address. That is referred to as the size or width of a bus, and it dramatically decides to what extent quantity of data can be transmitted at once. An 8-bit bus will share 8 bits of data. Depending on the type of bus, the information can be transmitted either per serial mode or a similar way, which means the simultaneous transfer of data. Information bits several lines. 32-bit was the first standard for the data bus, but the latest data bus systems can transmit much more great amounts of data. A data bus can carry data to and from the computer or central processing unit, which is the computer brain. A data bus can also transfer amongst two computers. The frequent use of the term data bus in the information technology world is averagely similar to the use of another term, electric bus bar, in the world of electronics. The electronic bus bar is a channel for transmitting the current in the somewhat same way data bus provides the way to transfer data. Computing systems today have become more sophisticated because data is often in transit, running through the parts, components of the CPU board, and peripheral physical structures. Data bus are essential tools for facilitating data transfer that allows a substantial need for data transmission in consumer and other systems. With the new network structures and designs, the data is also circulating between different hardware and a broader cable or virtual system connected.
Second is address bus. The data, as defined earlier, carries the data with the computer system, while the address bus determines where the data should be transmitted to. So in this, we define address bus as a computer bus structure used to transfer data between devices that are described by the hardware address of physical memory, which is put in the form of binary numbers. To enable the data bus to access memory storage, the central processing unit utilizes the address bus, or another type of memory access referred to as the direct memory access, which enables some devices to locate the address to relay the read or write commands. The central processing unit does the writing and reading of all the address business in the form of bits.
Third is control bus. After the data bus and the location sense, the data is known by the address, then a control bus is needed to execute the data properly. The control bus is then a particular kind of computer bus that the central processor uses to communicate other components and device connected to the computer system. This kind of communication is made possible through cable connections and circuitry printed boards. The control bus is important in the sense that they control of all connected devices. Also, computer system components with the help of varieties of control signal transmitted by the central processing unit are made possible by this control bus. Not forgetting one of the primary objectives of a bus is to minimize the lines that are needed for communication in a computer system. On the contrary to an individual bus that allows the communication between devices using one data line, unidirectional, the control bus is very much bidirectional because it permits two-way data bus communication between computer components, and its devices also helps the central processing units coordinate and unify the control signals in internal tools and external features. The control bus is made up of interrupt lines, but enables lines, read-write signals, and status line. Communication between the central computer processing unit and the control bus is of great importance so that the computer system can functionally, properly, and proficiently. The central processing unit cannot know if the system is sending or receiving data without the control bus. Where the write and read information have to go is managed and regulated by the control bus. There is a dedicated control path line within the control bus for instructions about the write command and a distinct path line for the read command control. A signal is transmitted to the write command line immediately. The central processing unit writes a data or command address to the central computer memory, and a signal is also sent by the central processing unit when it needs to read from the system memory. This signal permits the CPU to receive or transmit data from the main memory. With the help of control bus, microprocessor process data is what to do with the selected memory location. Some control signals include read, write, and opcode, fetch, commands, highlight. Here that our microprocessor performs various kinds of operations. With the help of same control bus, the control bus is dedicated to all timing signals and is managed according to the control signal from the control bus.
Go!
And that concludes the video about computer bus. Thank you. Related Teachers Day.